Oh yeah, well this is a 1993 Volvo 245. The brick. This brick has been a hedge for 10 years, so it's a lot of door problems. That door wouldn't close because the pin on the catch was seized. This door won't open because the pin on the catch is seized. This is the catch on the back of the door here. So you can see this has been well oiled now. And in there, we undo these two nice Allen screws, is a pin that goes up and down. And it's moved up and down by either the operation of the outer handle or the operation of the inner handle. And as you can see, I've been having some fun because the door card for this door is missing. That was the easy part because this door wouldn't close. The hard part was removing the front door card. Now to do that, in brief, without damaging the door card itself, proof of undamaged door card is here. I'll show you now. This is an Irish 93 car. Volvo 240. Here are my two grubby but mint, there's such a thing, grubby mint door cards. One, that's the back one, and then the two, this was the stubborn one. Very grubby as you can see, but it'll clean up hopefully. I found like that, it wasn't me getting it that dirty, hopefully. So this is the blue-green metallic run-out model. So we'll go to the less waffle. That now, because I've taken the catch off and freed it up with oil, is now factory. Not even operating the door, it's closing itself. Tesla don't have that. So here's door C solid. Pin is up. This is not moving. It's not moving far enough, as you can see. Sorry about the light. So, to remove a door card in a jammed, deadlocked 240, the main thing you have to remove is the B-pillar. I made absolute SH1T of the B-pillar trim. Use 160mm spanner to get the safety belt buckle off, and then you very gingerly remove the very brittle B-trim pillar. B-post trim, should I say. So once that's off, you pull the black door saddle directly up. You then remove all the door parts. This can be seen in other videos, straightforward enough. And then by a bit of wriggling around with all the components off the door card, you'll be able to free up some of the clips. Usually from wear and tear, the bottom clips are loose anyway. So the polysteen's in the way, but if I move the polythene out the way, you can see there's plenty of room down there now. Okay, and then with the B-pillar trim out the way, you can pull the door card up and back. So you rotate it. I mean, looking down, you rotate it clockwise. Looking down from inside, obviously with the window open. You're looking down, you rotate it clockwise and back. And you have to remove this little triangle behind the mirror as well. And you see some of the clips, two of the clips tore out. That one there, the red one, two red ones. The rest are fine. They'll be able to glue those back into the door card. So only damage done is where the two door card red pins are. That one and that one. So the trick is now is, if you look in here, I'm trying to show you, but I can't even get it with the. Don't drop the spanner on the glass, or it has to replace the glass as well. Okay, so try not to get the seats mint. The seats are mint, so don't get those dirty. It's got 87,000 miles on it, so she's very, bar the door problems, she's very fresh. And a bit of rusty. One door is rusty. So this is where I need to do some heavy editing. In there is, where's it go? Need a small torch. I'm trying to show you the post which I need to move. It's not going. Right, there. That rusty pin there, the rusty post which I got in the centre of the picture at the moment, that's the part of the door latch, the door catch on the outside of the door frame. That's the part which has been causing me all this grief. If this doesn't move upwards, you will not open the door. You have no hope of opening the door. So my plan is to get a ring spanner or a swan neck with a vice grip on it and use the ring or the box, as the Americans would call it, box wrench around that, and I'm going to hook it up and yank it up. Obviously you have to be careful, the window's right next to it, and you're not going to do this with the window closed, because obviously you won't stick your head through the frame. So I can't do this, I don't have my tripod yet, so I'll show you the end result in a few minutes. Right, as you can see, we've had success. That box wrench trick did not work, it was too serious for that. So use a short blunt chisel and the Volvo skeleton key. Now, this was very stuck. But it's been sitting in this car's been sitting in the hedge for 10 years at least. And the daft thing was the hedge actually protected it from the elements. So the paint bar of this door is extremely good. So this pin here is the other side of this. So the back door wouldn't close, so I took it off the back door and freed it up with oil and loads of penetrating oil. And I'm not talking about that stuff that becomes with W and ends with 0. I'm talking about real penetrating oil. So this is going to get the same treatment, and this is the definition of success. But be warned, if these get stuck, they get very stuck. The only saving grace is this metal clip, the metal bar on the window. If the chisel does move, you hit the bar, you don't hit the window, otherwise you shatter the window. So, living proof that we still have the window in place. So, obviously, I'm worn out, but well worth the exercise. One less thing to do. So, as you can hear from the hinges, this is definitely the first time this door has been open for a while. So I'm going to close it, oil it, go for dinner, come back, and I'm sure one of my sons will be delighted. Hopefully, anyway. Thanks. Bye.